Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
Sugar, sweet, delicious, everywhere. But what will happen to your brain if you decide to quit it for a whole month? Spoiler alert, it won't be easy. The average person eats about 70 grams of added sugar per day. That's 17 teaspoons. Your brain is used to this. 30 days without sugar. Let's see what will happen to your brain day by day. Ready? Let's go! Day 1. You wake up and drink coffee without sugar. Everything's still okay, right? Your brain hasn't realized what's happening yet. But inside the brain, it has already begun. Dopamine receptors are expecting their usual dose of sweet happiness. And it's not there. By lunchtime, mild cravings begin. You see a donut in your colleague's hand and think, just one, right? No, you can't. Hold on. By the end of the day, your blood sugar level becomes more stable. Without insulin spikes, your body begins searching for other energy sources.
Day 2 and 3 are the worst. Your brain is having a real withdrawal. Headache, irritability, fatigue.
Dopamine receptors are in shock. Where is my reward? Where is my sugar? They are used to getting a quick hit of pleasure, and now it's gone. The craving for sweets is at its peak. You're ready to sell your soul for a chocolate bar. This is normal. Your brain is rewiring itself. But here's what's interesting. The brain begins to adapt. It searches for other fuel sources, ketones from fats.
Days 5 through 7. The hard period is behind you. The headache subsides. You feel a bit better.
Your insulin sensitivity begins to recover. Cells are learning again to respond properly to insulin. Around day 7, you notice something strange. Concentration has improved. No more afternoon energy crash. The secret is simple. Without sugar spikes, your brain receives stable fuel. No more roller coaster rides. And something important is happening in the brain. Inflammation is decreasing. Sugar causes chronic inflammation that slowly kills neurons. Your energy is more stable. Before you were like a phone with bad battery, sometimes 100%, sometimes 5%. Now it's steady 70% all day. Brain cells produce more mitochondria, the energy power plants. The brain becomes more efficient.
Memory improves. Brain fog clears. You can think more clearly.
3 weeks. Turning point. Now you don't crave sweets so much anymore. Your taste receptors have recalibrated. Sugar dulls taste receptors. Without it, you begin to taste real food flavors. An apple seems sweet now. Seriously, try fruits. They taste like candy now. Your brain is relearning how to get pleasure from natural sweetness. Dopamine receptors are restoring their sensitivity. Now you don't need buckets of ice cream to feel happy.
Mood stabilizes. Fewer mood swings, less irritability. You are calmer.
30 days! You did it! Let's see what has changed in your brain.
Cognitive functions have improved. You think faster, remember better, solve problems more effectively. Risk of neurodegenerative diseases decreases. Sugar promotes formation of amyloid plaques, the same ones that cause Alzheimer's. Sleep has improved. Sugar disrupts circadian rhythms. Without it, you fall asleep easier and sleep deeper. Neuroplasticity is at its peak. Your brain forms new connections more easily, learns new things, adapts. Physical endurance has increased. The brain better controls the body. Signals travel faster. Serotonin, the happiness hormone, is now produced steadily, not in spikes. You feel content. Social activity has improved. You have more energy for people, less brain fog in conversations. Brain blood vessels have become healthier. Sugar damages vessel walls, causing microinflammation. Now blood flow is optimal. So, 30 days have passed. The question, what's next? Return to the old ways or continue? Here are 2 brains, one on high sugar diet, the other without added sugar. The difference is obvious. If you still want something sweet, choose wisely. 85% dark chocolate, honey, fruits, no added sugar. Your brain now values natural sweetness. It doesn't need cakes and soda for happiness. Now you know what happens to your brain without sugar. The choice is yours. But remember, your brain will thank you for taking care of it. Good luck!
Subscribe for more health science. See you next time.